Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
Oil prices climbed, bouncing back from four-year lows earlier in the session after US President Donald Trump announced he would further increase tariffs on China, but paused the tariff increases he announced last week for most other countries. Major stock indexes shot higher, with the Nasdaq last up about 10%, after US President Donald Trump said he had authorized a 90-day pause on many of his reciprocal and 10% tariffs, effective immediately, even as he raised them on China. Cryptocurrency exchange Kraken has partnered with MasterCard to issue crypto debit cards across the United Kingdom and Europe, the company announced. The partnership will enable the crypto exchange to expand its payment offerings by launching physical crypto debit cards.
The euro-dollar pair edged lower in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair skyrocketed in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The sterling-dollar pair edged higher in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair skyrocketed in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal.
Upcoming economic releases on the calendar include high-impact events alongside moderate and low-impact reports. Traders and investors alike should be prepared, as any of these data points could spark changes in market dynamics and volatility. Monitoring these key data points can reveal shifts in market sentiment. Whether they align with expectations or bring surprises, these events could shape the near-term market outlook.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.